Hello TELMOOC participants. My name is Dr. Marty Cleveland-Innes, and I'm one of your instructors in this course called Technology-Enabled Learning. I'm a professor at Athabasca University in Canada and a visiting researcher at the Royal Institute of Technology in Sweden. These topic videos will help introduce you to each topic in the course and will remind you of your learning activities for each topic. Welcome to Week 1, Topic 1. Our first topic is the Community of Inquiry, sometimes called COI. We're starting here because using technology for learning means setting a foundation for new ways of thinking about teaching and learning. Using technology provides many opportunities to enable learning, but brings with it expectations for a new role for teachers and for learners. Why is this important? Teachers need two skills beyond their subject knowledge. One, basic technology skills and comfort with tech tools, and two, pedagogical practice aligned with meaningful student-centered learning. This week is a review of the pedagogy that supports new learning with technology. The Community of Inquiry model is how we will work together in this course and a model you can consider using in your classrooms, face-to-face, blended, or online. In order to do this, you must look at the model from your view as a student in this course and then as a teacher. This model takes into account the value that comes from learning together. Here, the technology is used to improve connections and collaboration for a meaningful learning experience. Based on constructed social learning theory, the model identifies actions in the community of inquiry that lead to social presence, cognitive presence, and teaching presence. Here are the definitions for you. Social presence is the ability of participants to identify with other people in the community, communicate purposefully in a trusting environment, and develop interpersonal relationships by way of projecting their individual personalities. This happens through open communication, expression of feelings, and group togetherness. Cognitive presence means the extent to which learners are able to construct and confirm meaning through sustained reflection and discourse in a critical community of inquiry. To go through the four-stage process, students experience the following thinking steps. First, they respond to a cognitive trigger. 2, they explore the new idea. 3, they integrate the idea into their own context. And 4, resolve or accept the idea or solution for themselves. Teaching presence is defined in 3 different elements: design, facilitation, and direct instruction. The direction of cognitive and social processes for the purpose of realizing personally meaningful and educationally worthwhile learning outcomes. This direction comes from the instructor and, as appropriate, from the students. Each presence has its own elements and strategies that need to be understood for teachers to create this community and foster an environment for engaged, deep learning. You will see in your readings a chart that looks like this. Please review carefully so you can see how the elements of a COI hang together. Note that each presence has 3 or 4 underlying critical elements, and that in the third column, there are things to do and to watch for when creating a community of inquiry in your classroom. You will read more about these elements and how they are applied in the assigned reading for this topic. This is your Topic 1 video. There's also reading to explain this topic further. Read Chapter 6 in Teaching in Blended environments, creating and sustaining communities of inquiry. You're also going to respond to forum questions. What do you see as beneficial about the COI as a way to understand technology learning for your students? What possible challenges do you see? You're going to review the document Collaborative Learning Technologies. And finally, assess yourself. Identify an area where you want to learn more.